My name is Muhammad Adnan Hakim bin Zamidi. I am a data analyst from the Ministry of Domestic Trade. In this video, I will explain the ETL process and the dashboard that we developed to monitor inflation and cost of living in Malaysia using Power BI. Okay, first, I start with the data extraction process. I import 3 CSV files into Power BI. First, CPI by state, monthly inflation. Second, annual CPI by main group. Third, CPI index. All the data was imported using get data, text, CSV, and open in Power Query Editor for further processing. For next is the data transformation stage. I standard the data by correcting the data types such as changing inflation values to decimal number and year columns to whole number. I'll also remove unnecessary columns and rename column names to make them clearer and easier to understand. In addition, I create a new column called inflation level using a conditional column. This column classifies inflation into high, medium and low based on the monthly inflation rate. After that, I perform data cleansing. I handle missing values by replacing null values with zero where appropriate. I also remove duplicate records to ensure data accuracy and consistency. This step helps improve the quality of data before it is used in the dashboard. Once the data was cleaned and transformed, I click close and apply to load final dataset into Power BI. The data is now ready to be used for visualization and analysis. Now, I will demonstrate the dashboard. First, the line chart shows the trend of inflation over time, allowing users to observe whether inflation is increasing or decreasing. Next, the bar charts compares inflation rates between different states and categories, which help identify areas with higher inflation. Based on the dashboard, we can identify states with higher inflation rates and observe overall inflation trends. This insight can help the government focus on price control measures, target subsidies, and policy planning to reduce the cost of living, especially in high inflation states. In conclusion, this dashboard helps support data-driven decision making by providing clear insight into inflation, trends and comparison.